how to turn on Windows Defender account protection notifications on Windows 10 and 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on Windows Defender account protection notifications on Windows 10 and 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply press Windows plus I to open the settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply look at the left-hand sidebar and there you simply have to click on privacy and security. Now here in this section, simply click on the option labeled as Windows Security. And now here, once you are inside the Windows Security, then you simply have to click on Firewall and Network Protection section. And now here, once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the Windows Security. Now here, inside the Firewall and Network Protection, there you can see the option labeled as Firewall Notification Settings. So simply click on it. And now here in this section under the notification, you simply have to click on Manage Notification. And now here in this section, you can see the option labeled as Account Protection Notification. So here to turn on this option, you simply have to toggle on this option and also check this option that is labeled as Problems with Dynamic Lock. And that's it. That's how you can turn on Windows Defender account protection notifications on Windows 10 and 11. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.